Clipping seam allowances along curved edges ensures that they will lie flat and smooth, but it can be time-consuming. Instead of reaching for regular scissors the next time you have to clip an edge, grab your pinking shears. Pinking shears have blades that cut a zigzag edge. Pinking mimics the effect of clipping an edge, but it takes a lot less time. Clip close to the stitching along the curve. Be careful not to accidentally cut through the stitches. You don't have to worry about finishing these edges either, because pinked edges stop the fabric from raveling. You can also use a rotary cutter with a pinking blade for this technique. And there you have it! Pinking can be an easy way to quickly and efficiently clip curved seam allowances.